starting purposefully on Richie's feet. First of all, because it's such a great fashion statement. But secondly, as I work up Captain Kohler, I see a puffy jacket. I see a puffy jacket.
So cold, so 52 degrees, can't breathe.
But it is a beautiful, chilly morning.
Yes, it is.
And where are we heading to, Captain Richard?
We are headed to Safe Cove, down the ICW. We just passed the Siesta Key. I don't remember the name of the bridge. And I just saw it. I'm getting Alzheimer's. But we just heading down towards Venice right now, and then to Port Charlotte and Safe Cove, where we will have the bow thruster finally replaced.
My husband decided to bring us out onto the ocean for some of our journey today. So at Venice, we tucked out into this gorgeous ocean today. Check it out. But look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous day out in the open.
I could get used to this. I'm dying for your kiss. Didn't even know. Now it surely shows. You make me feel like, make me wanna try. Won't give up this fight. You're the reason why I'm sinking into it.
Well, she's out of the water again, folks. This time for the bow thruster replacement and also for a bottom paint. So step one is the power washing. There she goes, folks. Bottom cleaned. We gave her a good bath today. She's going to her new home for the next week. Using a paper bowl.
Why are you using a paper bowl, Paula?
Because we are on the hard and we have limited access to water. And so we are using paper bowls, much to Richie's chagrin.
Don't like them.
So Richie, what the heck, man? Why are we on the hard?
We are on the hard because we are... I said...
No, you got a microphone on. You should be okay.
We're on the hard because we're having the bow thruster replaced. This has been a nightmare with the bow thruster, honestly.
Yes.
Not a nightmare, just a persistent and expensive problem.
Yeah.
So now we are, the final solution, we are replacing it with a new one.
Yes.
So we're on the hard, and while we're here, might as well get the place painted.
Yep.
So they're painting the bottom for us.
That's what you hear. The guy is sanding out there.
Sanding it properly, which is good. And then new zincs.
We're getting all kinds of other things done.
Getting the
engine room's open, ready for us.
New zincs in the engines.
Yep. We've got a whole list of things that we want to get done, preparing for the Bahamas.
Yeah,
it's
baby.
only January.
Yep.
It's cold. Look how we're dressed. We are dressed in our work clothes, but we're also dressed very warm because it's chilly out there.
It was down to 50 last night. And we have no heat or air conditioning.
Yep.
But don't feel sorry for us. It was just fine.
Yeah, we were snuggling and wearing our warm, cozy jammies, and we were just fine. But yeah, that's another step in getting ready for the Bahamas, I'd say. Okay, folks, so while the gentleman is painting the bottom of our boat, Richie is replacing engine zincs. And there have been a few that have gone very well and a couple that have broken off. And one of them he's working on right now. Poor guy is behind our port engine, desperate to get out a broken piece of zinc from the back of this port engine.
You know, it's 1 foot in front of the other.
1 foot in front of the other, Richie. But just so you see where we are, here's our bedroom. And that would be the set of stairs leading out of our bedroom.
Now, right this minute, we have the finishing of the sanding of the bottom paint going on. The guys are on board getting ready to do the bow thruster. What are you doing, Paula?
We are going to clean this canvas and waterproof it because it needs to happen at least once a year. It gets all moldy on the inside.
So, good time there. Zincs were done yesterday. We're going to refill the fluid for the steering. We're going to check out the trim tabs and see if we can make those work a little bit better. It is a bunch of activity today. Well, Paula, I think we can be pretty happy here.
Yeah.
The new unit doesn't have any hydraulics to worry about. It fit in real nice. The old hole was right here.
Yep, it's all patched up.
All patched up. It's the same brand and type of thruster as we have in the stern. They really did a nice job.
They did. Yeah, no, hopefully well worth it.
Yep.
Yeah.
So here's my pile of tools. As the guys finish priming the running gear.
Oh, okay. Hold on. I was wondering where my ladder was.
I've got all this freaking equipment. 2 buffing wheels, 20 polishing pads, and I'm just putting it on by hand. Seems to be the best method.
Good.
So
Your pad just fell in the dirt.
oh no.
That's not a good method. Yeah.
Can you rinse it for me? So we are here at Safe Cove getting lots of work done on the boat. Bottom painted and the bow thruster changed out with the big jobs, but it also allowed me to buff the side walls of the boat, and lots of little projects have gotten done this week. And I cannot say enough for Safe Cove. It's so great to be outside, but under that canopy, safe from the rain and the sun. They have over here, they have a little bathroom facility with showers. It's not luxurious, but it gets the job done. And they've allowed us to live aboard while we're here. And just a really good, competent crew. And I have nothing but good things to say about Safe Cove in Punta Gorda, Florida. Zinc's installed. all the paint done.
Show the zinc up here.
Got the running gear painted with prop speed.
The zincs are placed on top
Zincs
of your...
and the trim tabs.
Walk down here with me.
Two coats on the Smile.
2 coats on the Smile, a brand new bow thruster.
Yay!
Looks great. Hopefully it works great. There it is. All the squares are touched up.
All shiny.
These are all moved over.
Well, it's been 7 days now at the old marine yard, and we have gotten how many projects done so far, Paula?
Well, 17 officially, but I bet you it's closer to 20.
I mean, every project involves 2 or 3 sub-projects.
Yeah, yes.
Even if it's just a disassembly and reassembly of something else to get to the something project.
Yeah, exactly.
But this is an important project right here.
Oh yeah, the haircut.
No, we're quite happy with all we've done.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
And I mean, the bottom of the boat, it's not like it looked bad before, but it looks brand new now, as does the side of the boat. I think we did a great job.
Oh, it looks great. Between the painting and the waxing, boy, oh boy, it looks awesome.
We just finished up a bunch of small, odd jobs down in the engine room and reorganizing as we went. And I think we're down to just 4 or 5 tasks down there left before we leave for the Bahamas, so that feels good. Anyways, it's just been a great week, and I'm gonna look awesome here in a minute, so I'm gonna turn this off. So, as Paula finishes up Project 18, the haircut, I just wanted to say how thankful that I was for having this week. That, in fact, I'd spent my whole life dreaming about
having this kind of week.
Having this kind of week where you could get, have the boat up and out and have time to putz on lots and lots and lots of little projects.
Yep.
Something you couldn't do while you were working, or the boat was in storage in Michigan.
And they wouldn't
let you. There was
Uh-huh.
no power to the boat. You were in a dark place anyways, even if you could.
Yep.
So
outside in the elements.
Yeah. So it's just been a really fun week.
It really has been very productive, very fun. He and I love to work together. We're very fortunate that we outline what the tasks are going to be based on what we're good at, and we understand that.
And we support each other.
And we support each other.
Sometimes I'm a big baby. I just want her standing there.
Yeah, I'm this gopher sometimes, but that's okay because it makes the job that much easier or tolerable. Yes.
Anyway, so
but it's been a long, hard week.
It has been. Now, next up is my brother's boat. He should be here in about 15 minutes. I look good. She looks good. Time to take a shower.